YouTube channel, and I think this is my, let's see, I think it's my third video because I didn't post a video yesterday. But if y'all, yeah, since I didn't post a video yesterday, I'm going to be making 2 videos today. So by the time I make the next video, it might be dark. But I'm just going to get into the video before it gets completely dark. Hopefully, yeah. But anyways, before I say all this with the slime, if I have an unmatched outfit, don't make fun of me. Okay, let's get it. Okay, we're struggling here. And I hear background noises, that's the car. I'm outside. Anyways, since I didn't make Easter slime or anything, and now I have no Easter container to stop, you know? Why don't I just do like a Valentine's Day since I had these? I don't know why I had them. But why don't I do a Valentine's Day? Then my friend said, let's do a galaxy slime. And so I said, okay, let's do a galaxy slime. So I'm going to be doing that. But it's not going to be like Valentine's Day slime. It's going to be in these things though. So we're going to get into this right now. I'm going to start with this one because I like the glitter. The shimmer. By the way, we got this thing because I don't know, it's just dirty. We're gonna do it in this part because I like this part better. Okay, so first we're gonna start with some like interrupting my never mind. This thing interrupting. Don't just forget that. So I'm gonna use this actually. I changed my mind. Actually, yeah, I keep changing my mind lately, so I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna switch it up a little. I'm gonna switch it up a little. I'm just gonna, cause we're struggling here today, you guys. We're struggling. We gonna work this out. We gonna figure this out. All right. Now let's get started. We don't got no table, so this what we working with. And if I sound crazy right now, it's because I'm yelling because it's stupid cars. Anyways, let's go. We gonna use this glue. This is the last of our glue, so we work with what we got until we get more glue. It's gonna take a long time because we don't have that much glue, so we gotta get every ounce of glue out of here. We might have to use some clear glue, you know, because we don't got that much glue right now. Alright, let's see. Do we got it? Yeah, we're gonna need some clear glue because we're rushing today because it's really gonna dark, you guys. It is so noisy tonight. Oh my gosh. And there's a lot of motorcycles and stuff. I don't know. Alright, we gotta use some clear glue for this one today, you guys. I'm sorry. We ran out of glue. We forgot to get more glue today, so this is what we working with. Oh my gosh. I think we need more glue than that. Oh my god. Alright, I think that's it. That's definitely enough. Okay, now I gotta get my stirring tool. I'm sorry that I'm not giving y'all the best lighting and stuff today, but it's just really hard because I'm trying to do everything at once, and plus there's a bunch of cars, and I gotta yell. And I might be cringing today, because you know I'm that type of cringy girl. Alright, let me stop. I made some of this. I had added water to it, so I don't know if that's gonna work. So I don't know if that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna use this for today. See, I'm that type of cringy girl, y'all know. The girl who be cringy on TikTok. Cause I also gotta yell cause there's a bunch of cars passing right now. And my voice is not normal. Sorry. Oh my gosh, look at the slime is coming together. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Now today, we ain't gonna add that much like activator and stuff because we're making Galaxy Clay slime. And we made clay slime before and as I told y'all like last time. Something hit my finger. As I told y'all last time, we can't add a lot of activator when we're doing clay slime because it's gonna harden up. And my blue slime I made from last time, it's already hardened up. I did not mean to add more glue. I meant to add more activator, not add more glue. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, we really struggling here today, y'all. We gotta be careful. We gotta do ounces of this. Oh. This ain't working. If I'm making a bunch of faces, it's because I'm really stressed because this is not working. And I also have another video to do today because I didn't post a video yesterday. And honestly, I feel like both of the videos I'm gonna post on Monday. So if y'all see this video on Monday, it was supposed to be posted on. It was supposed to be posted on Sunday. And I literally had to go to every day just to get to that one. We make it slime. It's just the slime. It's not the consistency of slime we want. See, it's really chunky, and we don't want it like that. Okay. So this is what we gonna do. We gonna have to use our hands this here. We gotta be serious. If I keep saying it's because my hand. I heard it today. So. people really need to don't drive cars outside when I'm making my video, because this is really stressful. Like I said, if I make weird faces, once again, stress. I just spilled a bunch of activator on my shoe. No! If I'm yelling and it's really loud, for once again, I'm going to repeat this. There's a bunch of cars. I'm outside and it's stressful. So yeah, I might have to turn your volume down if y'all haven't noticed by now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna figure out something to put, like, I don't know, if I could figure out how to edit my YouTube video, I'm gonna probably try to edit in my TikTok name. It should be here, or it should be there, or it should be there, or it should be there. You know, like we say. Have a beautiful day, y'all. Anyways. This slime is stressing me. It's not working. I need more activator every 2 seconds. It's still sticky, way too sticky. Actually, I think, no, not the activator dripping on me again. No, you're going in my slime. No. This is why you don't film. my wild laughing behind the camera. This is why you don't film outside, you guys. This is why. This is the reason why. Alright? Once again, I said we was gonna make galaxy slime, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna add black slime. And if we don't have black slime, we're gonna add purple slime. And if we don't have purple slime, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. I just said I know what I'm gonna do. We got so much slime ingredients and stuff. Not my stuff falling apart. If this video don't get any likes, I know why. I'm being so cringy right now. And also because I'm yelling. These are the only clays we have left. We got purple. We got pink. And what's the purple? And last but not least, black. Okay. This is some really good slime though. If y'all can hear this is supposed to be ASMR. Yeah, it is not working. People are really being really stressful right now. And you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna add the black clay. Because you know black lives matter. But I'm not this black, paper black. My bad. I'm not trying to be like that. Oh my gosh! This thing's so stressful! Somebody please help me. It's not working, you guys. It's not working. Today's not a great day. Because this clay is not working. Oh, nowadays. Because I had to bite it. And look how small this black clay is. It's also very glittery, so this is definitely gonna be galaxy slime. So we're gonna add this black glittery clay to this white beautiful slime. Alright, that's how it looks. We should have made a smiley face, but too bad. And now we're about to make slime, I guess. Okay. Shout out to my mom for also trying to record this video while there's a lot of noise.
You need to be patient. That's all.
Oh my gosh. If I'm really loud, I'm so sorry, you guys. It's just that, you know, once again, cars and motorcycles and another really big truck. I see you. Yeah, I see you. I feel like this is gonna turn gray, but it was really black, y'all. I like how it's like this really marble color. If y'all could like see it, I don't know. Oh, looks like a really marble color right now. It's gonna turn gray. It looks ugly right now. I'm gonna try to do what I can because my best friend Amari wanted me to make some galaxy slime. And I'm trying to do it without distractions. I can't even see. Hold on. I think we're gonna have to turn on this light. So I'm gonna have to leave out for a quick second. Alright. I'm coming right back, you guys. Oh my gosh! Okay, let's see if we can see it now. Hey, that's that black slime. It look great right now. I think this should be better light. I think this should be better lighting, and I feel like this is really great. I don't know. This is great. I wasn't looking at the slime completely, but this is great. I think we're gonna have to add some purple clay to this gray slime. Woo! I'm trying to film a video. It is getting so dark, and I'm yelling so much, but this how the slime look is gray, so we gonna add some purple clay to give it, I guess, a little pop of color. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna do anything, but it's magical model clay, okay? So it have magical in it. Oh my gosh, I just love how glittery the clay is. By the way, I did get glittery slime. Oh my gosh, this still got slime on me. Let's see. This how the slime gonna mix it. Oh my gosh, will y'all look at this? I like how soft it is. And dry. It's super dry also. Okay, we're gonna add some purple into this. Here we go. I'm just gonna come onto the camera. I don't know what to do at this point. I know a mosquito just bit me on my leg. And y'all could get a close up of that. Y'all could see that kind of little bit. See that? My mom not paying attention to the camera.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, I like that.
It's still gray. It don't even.
But I mean, yeah, it is gray. But I like it.
Somebody riding a motorcycle and they getting on my nerves. Cause I'm trying to film a video. Oh, sorry, you guys. But yeah, it's how it's looking. Okay, now I'm about to go back to my seat. I'm going back to my seat. I'm going back to my seat. All right. Since we still don't have a dark enough color, I'm trying to see if we got any black. Oh my gosh! We got black paint, you guys! We have black paint! I repeat, we got black paint. This is gonna save the day, because we need some black paint in our lives. Because this is a very pigment thing. Now my hair is trying to go into the slime. By the way, don't add paint to your slime unless you need it. And I need it, because I could not find more paint clay. I mean, no more black clay. This is so messy right now. I'm just going to put this on the floor. I don't know. Should I rub it with my hand? I'm going to rub it with this. I'm going to blend it in. Okay, yeah, I should never done that. Okay, so now we just gotta. Oh my gosh, guys! Look at this! It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I might have added green. Wait, was that green? Okay, it's black. I was about to say I know I ain't colorblind. I think it's black. I don't know. It's really dark out here. And I get my eyesight from my mom and my dad. Not to be have sworn I just heard somebody call my name. Anyways. Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get black paint all over my hands just for this video. And I gotta film another video after this, you guys, and it's super dark. Like super duper dark. You guys, it's still great. It's okay. We're gonna figure out something. I think I don't got black food coloring, but the slime is over here, the slime over here. But I do got some black. I'm filming a video. Oh, okay. Be really stressful over here. Where did my food coloring go? Oh gosh. Okay, we can't find the blue. Oh wait, I found it. I forgot I hid it from myself. Not the cat falling. Stop the cat. Okay. Sorry for being so foolish today. Cause it's once again I'm stressed from this slime not working. So we're gonna add some blue dye, even though it's not gonna do nothing. But we hope it's gonna do something. We're gonna add half of the stuff. Even though it's not gonna make a difference. I'm really trying to make this galaxy slime work. So somebody please pray for me in this black lava slime to make it turn into galaxy slime, because it's really not working. And I'm trying to do this for my friend because she requested this, and I don't know what to tell her. But this slime don't turn into no galaxy slime. Okay. Yeah, that was a bad idea to add blue, but I don't know. It makes it smell good because this food coloring is not no ordinary food coloring. It smells like blueberries. And my mom agrees with it. And she's shaking her head.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. It's not black. It's gray, okay? It's not the galaxy slime we was looking for. But I'm so cringy today. Yay. But this is the slime. If y'all can see it from the camera quality, it's really bad. And I'm about to let it fall on the floor. But, you know, we can't do ASMR today because, you know, the cars and stuff. I don't know what's going on today. So. But it is a really soft slime. But it's not soft enough. So I promised myself I'm going to add some lotion because, you know, it's kind of ashy. Even though it's gray and it was supposed to be black, it's still ashy. Okay, so we add that lotion. Now we're going to rub it. I really need some glasses, right? I need some glasses. I don't know, this probably green. And I'm saying it's black because I did add, I think it was black pink. But I feel like it was gray, green. I don't know. And I don't know what I'm saying. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. Alright. So this is the slime. Now we're going to try to add some glitter.
Well, hurry and add your glitter because you're already almost at 25 minutes. So.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, you're doing a lot of talking.
I know. OMG, you guys, I still got to do another video. That's how professionals do. Alright, we're going to add our toppings on this. Wait, I got to put blue slime back in here. Oh, I did think about that. But yeah, this is our toppings. Even though I can't see it. Oh my gosh, there's a fly. Wait, the nail. Okay. Sorry for the bad camera quality. But
Oh.
oh my gosh, this is gray slime. It's supposed to be black. And my hands are so dirty. Okay, we gotta add this glittery topping. Alright, we gonna need another color of glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna add some confetti glitter. It's all the glitters mixed together. Thanks to everybody who helped me start my YouTube channel. Like the people who actually bought some of this stuff.
Oh wow, that's pretty.
Yeah, it is, but it's not the galaxy sign we was hoping for. But you know, everybody could hope. It just never comes true sometimes. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna mix it. Oh my gosh, you can see blue.
Oh wow. That's,
Okay, let's see if this glue.
it's really
Oh!
pretty and it looks like
That's
it's
pretty.
fun to play with. So hurry up and mix it up.
You can't rush the slime
Well.
process.
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, that's all for today, you guys. Thanks for watching, even though I got to do another YouTube video because I ain't do one yesterday, so I got to make another one so I could upload tomorrow.
And here's your
Monday.
Goofy Slime host, Rhea Robinson, signing out.
Oh, what? Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.